into this video, unboxing this mailbox that I received today. This is 220 volts, 50 Hz to 60 Hz, 5 RPM, around per minute, 28 watts, and it can handle up to 100 kilo. I use this for my next project. This synchronous motor can handle up to 100 kilogram, and I hope so. This is how I can wire. This readboard connected to this, and the output connected to this, and run to here, goes to this green. So that's it. And the next one is in the middle, which is connected with the black, this wire. Try. Now it's running. My next project is to make auto turner machine, like in the video in the upper left side. All good. See you to my next video. And if you have any questions in regards to this, kindly please comment to the comment section box, and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys.